أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
فلم تقتلوهم ولكن الله قتلهم وما رميت إذ رميت ولكن الله رمى وليبلي المؤمنين منه بلاء حسنا إن الله سميع عليم.
It was not you who killed them, but it was Allah who killed them. And it was not you who launched when you launched, but it was Allah who launched, that He may bestow upon the believers an excellent reward. Allah is hearing and knowing.
ذلكم وأن الله موهن كيد الكافرين.
Such is the case. Allah will undermine the strategy of the disbelievers.
إن تستفتحوا فقد جاءكم الفتح وإن تنتهوا فهو خير لكم وإن تعودوا نعد ولن تغني عنكم فئتكم شيئا ولو كثرت وأن الله مع المؤمنين.
If you desire a verdict, the verdict has come to you. And if you desist, it would be best for you. And if you return, we will return, and your troops, however numerous, will not benefit you. Allah is with the believers.